Hello, everybody. I hope you're having a great week. Now, I'm Sarah and I'm a fluid figurative artist, and thank you for joining me today. So, this is the fourth chain pull from the Flamingo series, and this will have a green background as well. So, I hope that you have enjoyed the first, second, and third part of the Flamingo series, and I hope that you all had tried out to see if if it works for you all as well. This is a very simple technique, to be honest. You just put the paste there and just pull it with a chain, and I'm using a 3 millimeter in diameter chain, so it's pretty big, but the effects is gorgeous. Here, as mentioned, I start off with the background first, and that's the green. I mix two different types of green to produce a marble-like effect, and then I'm just going to add on the outline for the wings of the flamingo. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you like what I'm doing and you like to support my channel and my artworks, please subscribe to my channel, and by doing so, you really help me to keep my YouTube channel going. So thank you all so much. Right, this process will take a few minutes, so please sit back, enjoy the process, and if you have any questions of what I'm doing, you can always comment at the comment section and I'll get back to you. So see you guys at the end for more commentaries. Now I'm done with the wings. I'm going to do the body, and this is a very simple thing. All you need to just pour the paints, use the spoon and flatten it. That's all. So yeah, it's actually a very simple technique that I came up with. There is no exact law or rules of how you should pour and paint. Just be flexible and just enjoy the whole process. For the eye, I'm using a stick and just aligning the shape. I used to blow out shapes of the eyes and details, but I find that people don't really appreciate it, so stick to the simplest technique then. Now just look at the colors at the end of this. Is really remarkable. The greens and how it integrates with the red is just so gorgeous. Hope you guys enjoy this piece. Don't forget to hit the like button and please comment. I'll see all of you again next week. Take care all. Bye.